In this video, we'll be discussing this incident that happened at the Montego Bay Airport in Jamaica. The American lady who was visiting Jamaica for some holidays was returning back to her destination. She was checking in for a flight back to Los Angeles in the United States of America, and this incident happened. Initially, there were two possible causes of this incident. Now, these possible suggested causes of this incident are: first, there probably could be a mental breakdown of the lady. Secondly, she probably may be on drugs. And these are the two suggested possible causes of this incident. We'll find out more in this video what actually happened at the airport and why this lady was behaving in this manner and in this way. So let's keep on watching the video and we'll find out exactly what happened. But before that, kindly like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's watch the video together.
Mr. Jamaica always a keep. And I don't know what is wrong with some of these tourists when them come to Jamaica and then come and have them nice time. And the last day when them fi go home at them yard, then decide to them go create problem and create havoc. I'm not sure how much of you saw the video with the white lady in the airport today at Montego Bay. The way all the woman strip off her clothes and her gone and all the man try to calm her down. She decide say, yo, she no want calm down. But what I'm concerned about, what if she did really get a hold of the police gun and actually pull it off and waste? You can't imagine how different that would went today. You can't imagine the amount of people that would have get shot. All when time they handcuff the woman and put her down on the ground, is like this woman decides, say, yo, a problem she make today. Or probably she under the influence or something. I first me ever see them as something here. And me guarantee say if that did happen in the States, it would have went different. I don't know what is wrong with these people. God know me, I tell you no man. When you no come to Jamaica, you no come here and have a nice time, you no just go on back home. You no go on back home, me I tell you man, and go back home in a peace and tap create them friggin' drama and them unnecessary things that you no call for.
Now, this is exactly what happened. This American lady was checking in at the counter in order to book a flight back to Los Angeles in the United States of America. When she got to the counter, there was a physical confrontation between her and a friend at the check-in counter. The police was then called upon to intervene, but while the police was trying to intervene, she stripped naked, rolled on the floor, shouting on top of her voice, and this created a lot of chaos and attention in the airport. Everyone over there's attention was drawn to the incident. People came closer with their phones and even taking videos of everything that was happening over there. Now, she attempted to disarm the police officer, and I think this is a very dangerous thing to do. Trying to disarm a police officer is a very dangerous thing. And I don't think if this thing were to happen anywhere else, it probably could have turned up to be something peaceful like this. because trying to disarm a police officer, when you get hold of the arms, the police officer does not know what you would want to do with the arms. Probably shoot at him or anyone else over there. So he could also have taken matters worse. But I think this police officer, this Jamaican police officer, is a top-notch police officer in the sense that the level of professionalism was so great. The police officers who handled her at the airport had a very high level of professionalism, in that even with all these chaos and all that, they were able to calm her down, hold her, in order not for her to injure herself or even the police officers. If this lady was able to get hold of this firearm, what probably could have happened? Maybe she could have shot into the crowd and ended up killing some people at the airport. But these police officers were so professional to the extent that they were able to contain her, calm her down, and were able to subdue her. And then they later transported her from the airport to a hospital facility. She was sent to the Cornwall Regional Hospital for psychiatric evaluation. And after the psychiatric evaluation, it was there that a determination was made that she had a mental breakdown. She was identified as a dentist from the United States of America, and she had a mental breakdown at the airport while she was checking in to return back to the United States of America. Now, it is very important for all of us to take good care of our mental health, most especially people living in the advanced world where everything is done at a fast pace. You have a lot of problems to deal with, credit card issues, mortgage, and things like that. We still need to take very good care of our mental health. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. The lady's behavior, how the police reacted to this situation in order to be able to subdue and contain her. Any suggestions that you have so that we can all be able to help ourselves maintain a sound and a peaceful mind. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just look at the subscribe button down there. Click on the subscribe button. Click as well on the notification bell. And I'd like to see you again in my next video.